person is important. Hi, this is Poonam and today we are going to discuss about eye contact. Why are they important? Well, first of all, we have 5 senses in our body. That are eyes, nose, mouth, tongue and our skin. Among these 5 senses, eyes are the most important because they give us more than 90 to 95% of data. You can get it when you close your eyes. After closing your eyes, you are not able to see anything. You don't know what is happening in the surrounding and hence you lose your 90 to 95% of data. We have output devices similarly to computer systems. Yes, like the computer systems, we too have our output devices. The most important output devices are legs, hands and face. In our face, our output devices are cheek, mouth, nose and our eyes. In our output devices also, our eyes are important. And judging through these factors, our output devices, a person can make out that we are comfortable or not, we are confident or not, we are happy or sad or angry. We can change our facial expression like that only. And from these senses, from these output devices, why is eye important? We also have a reason for it. Because if we do not make a direct eye contact with that person, then the words we speak and the words we hear without making an eye contact have no value for that person. He might think uncomfortable that we are not hearing what that person is saying or we are not caring what we are saying. Now, let's get to the points that how can we make a direct eye contact with that person. Number 1. Look at the eyebrows. Well, sometimes it happens that we don't look direct on that person's eyes because we are nervous. But that the individual will not understand. He or she might think that we don't care about what we are speaking or what you are speaking to us. So that is why we are not making a direct eye contact. He'll not get it that we are nervous. So from getting out from this situation, we can look at the person's eyebrows or the middle part. It will make the same result when you look at the person's eyes. But when you feel confident and comfortable, do look at that person's eyes. So you'll speak more comfortably with that person and interact nicely. Second point, look normally to that person's eyes. Sometimes we give a tense reaction when we talk to someone or angry or we laugh. So it might be weird for that person whom we are talking with. So that is why we need to make our eye contact normally. But how we will judge that we are making an eye contact normally or tense or too much weird? For that, before going to approach that person, you can take your mobile phone and record yourself. Then you can see that whether you are talking comfortably and nicely or you are tensed. If you are talking comfortably, then go approach. While if you are talking with a weird way, then change it and go approach to that person. Number 3. Make a good facial expression. Yes, that is the most important. Because I have already told you at first, judging from our face, a person can make out whether we are happy or sad or angry. Because we can shape all these things the way we want, while the other things we cannot shape. That is why, while talking to a person, think you are confident and go approach that person. Then the last point is, never look up and down. Yes, you never have to look up and down because if you do so, If you look down, then the person might think that you are inferior to him or her. While if you look up and think, that means that you are superior to that person. So, from the next time, whenever you want to think, you can just look right and left. You can just think like this and then again make a direct eye contact or look at their eyebrows normally to speak. Number 1. Look at the eyebrows. Second point. Look normally to that person's eyes. Number 3. Make a good facial expression. Then the last point is never look up and down. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.